What's going on, everybody? Welcome back. Today we're gonna have some fun. I finally got some new parts in. We'll unbox them together and I'll explain why I had to buy these versus what maybe you've seen on Instagram. So with that, let's get started, guys. So, if you follow me on Instagram, you know I had some weld RTs and they fit, they looked I wasn't happy with them. I did some wheeling and dealing and got them and they're gone. Sold them the next day. Wasn't the look I was looking for. So, if you look over here, man, my beard's all fuzzy. We got all kinds of new parts, some new wheels. As y'all can tell, Billet Specialties. And we're gonna unbox them together so you guys can see them. And then this box is kind of something else, and it might sound dumb, but the one little thing in here I'm really excited about for no reason. Y'all hear the furnace kick on? Sorry. Let's get these things unboxed. So most of y'all probably know what these are. A lot of guys run the same wheels. Looks like it's the right wheel. Ooh, what's this? And there it is, guys. We went with the 5-spoke Billet Specialty wheels. I just realized I might have to get some new lug nuts because these are not the same as my other ones. But that's what we ended up going with. There we go. I did not go with the 10. The 10s fit. Oh, there goes my furnace. But I could not. Everything was going to still rub, so I decided to forget it and let's get these. So I really like them. Now I just need the fronts. I can't buy the fronts right now. It's hard enough buying these. I'm really cheap, guys, as y'all know, and I get yelled at all the time. Let me move this. But I get yelled at all the time for being cheap, and I am. So it was really hard for me to buy these wheels. I think they were $4 something a piece, but I really do like them. So now I just need fronts to match. But now let's open up the other one. So now the furnace is kicked off. I'll show you what's in here. Let's see here. The one little thing I keep forgetting to buy because I broke mine. I'm pretty excited about it. Let's see, probably in this box here. And y'all are gonna laugh, but hey, look here. I like some of the little things. Oh, nope, it ain't that. We'll get back to that here in a minute. Here it is. Haha! See, guys? So, I broke my tire pressure gauge a while ago. Let's lift that up a little bit. So, I broke my tire pressure gauge a while ago, so I finally got a new one. I know it sounds dumb, but I'm pretty excited for it because mine's been missing. So, show you what else I got. Bait. Finally got CO2. We've been yelling about it for a while. So now we're going to put CO2 on the car, which is also what this is for. We got our gauges. This was from Jegs. This is their kit. It was the most reasonable one I could find. I know I'm going to probably get some crap for it, but it seemed to have good reviews. A lot of people have used it. It comes with your bracket, your bottle, and your regulator. You can also buy it with all the tubing too. So thank you, Jegs, for having reasonably priced stuff and getting it here in 2 days. So it's always nice, even with the snowstorm. So just so y'all can kind of see what it looks like here, I can still fit my hand back here behind it. I should have all kinds of room this way. So we got plenty of room now, where before we didn't. So I'm pretty excited about these wheels. And hopefully, now I know I need to roll my lip still, but we'll get to that at a later date. So with that, guys, it's not really a big update or nothing. We just got some new parts in that I'm pretty excited about. I think I spent $1,000 in parts in 2 days, so we should be able to make the car a lot nicer. CO2 to hold the wastegate shut. I'm gonna order a second bottle from them. I think my furnace is about to kick back on. I'm gonna order a second bottle from them to have a spare bottle, even though I know you don't go through them that quick. We got new wheels. I still need fronts. That anybody wants to sponsor me for some front wheels, cage, I don't care, either one of them. But I'd like to get the 4s for the front just to match. And I still got to get rear tires, but besides that, I think we're good. Unfortunately, we've had some stuff happen. The car hasn't been able to go to Steve's yet, and that's okay. We still got plenty of time, but I'm trying to knock everything out now. We got another car coming in the garage when this one leaves, and we'll talk about that at a later date. But I finally got my buddy on board to get his car done. So soon you'll be able to welcome Mark and his Monte Carlo SS, and it needs some love, but we're gonna give it to it, get it running and driving. It is a small block Chevy. It will be on nitrous, and hopefully we can get him to race it this year. Me and him would really like to do drag week together, but I just got to get him off his butt to do it. So we'll get there when we get there. But that's really about it, guys. We don't have a lot going on. I'm cleaning the garage today, trying to reorganize tools and figure out what I'm missing so I can buy some more stuff, more tools. That's it. It's cold. It's like 12 degrees outside today in Kentucky. We got a lot of snow. We got a lot of ice. So I'm heating the garage and just trying to get some stuff done out here. So with that, we'll see you later, guys. Till next time.